888. Before this week ends, your life will be flooded with so many blessings that you will leave your worries behind. You will learn how to enjoy life, manifest what is best for you. Are you ready? Type 555 if you agree. Everything will be okay. Think about what happened a year ago today. You probably cannot even remember. Some things that seem important now won't be in the future. Stay calm about it. Things always work out. Your life can suddenly change for the better. Nothing is impossible. Type yes if you believe. Vibe of the day. I possess the courage to push through discomfort in pursuit of ambitious goals. I know that there is a first time for everything. I know that the vision that I have for my life is heaven sent. The universe is conspiring in my favor as I work to manifest my dreams. Type yes if you agree and also subscribe God's Manifesto 1111. Thank you.